This is a very quick unboxing of my drill that I bought a few months ago. It comes with the case for free, and here is everything inside. But first of all, the price. I bought this drill for 18,990 Kenya shillings. I've just folded it like this to hide my phone number, and I bought it from this shop, Alibhai Shariff. They have a shop at Westlands in Nairobi. First of all, we have the manual and the other products. I will show you what I intended to buy instead of this, but why I chose this. So this is the drill. Very nice drill with an 18-volt battery. It has 2 speeds, low speed and high speed. Over here it has the screwdriver, the drill and the hammer action. Very nice drill. And that's the clutch up to level 20. Now this drill comes with 2 batteries. This is the second battery. It's an 18-volt battery, 1.5 Ah lithium ion battery, and that's the charger. The other thing that comes with this packaging are these screwdriver bits with the extension. And lastly, we have these drilling bits. We have wood, masonry and metal over here. There are 12 in total. Now here are all the other products over here. The next thing I'm going to buy, or I'm thinking about, is this, the GDR 120Li Professional. It's an impact driver. But instead of that, I just think I might buy like a bigger impact wrench, like this one over here, because this battery that I have, they will fit directly onto this tool as well. So here is the catalog from Bosch. So this is what I intended to buy. It's exactly the same drill like this one, but it comes with a bigger battery, only a single battery, the battery being a 2Ah battery. So, and it comes with the charger and the case. But instead, this is what I bought at the bottom over here. 2 batteries, but of lower capacity, 1.5 Ah, but it also comes with the case, the drill bits, and the charger as well. But at first, this is what I intended to buy instead of this. The salesman just recommended me to buy this because I have a lot of work to do with this drill bit, as you will see in this channel going forward. But this is a very small drill. It's only 12 volts, but this is 18 volts. Bigger voltage means it's much higher powered. So the next thing, like I said, the next thing to buy is an impact wrench. If I don't have money, I'll just get this. But if I have the money, I'll just buy this one. So that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.